Hi everyone! Sa lahat po ng bumati ng aking kaarawan at sa lahat po na patuloy po nagsisend ng kanilang greetings and video greetings po na hindi ko pa nare-replyan, are-replyan ko po kayo. Maraming salamat, I really appreciate you all. Pero bago ang lahat po, gusto ko lang pong mag-share po ng verse from Proverbs chapter 31 verse 25. She is clothed with strength and dignity, and she loves without fear of the future. So sa lahat po ng mga mama, inay, nanay at sa lahat po ng nagpakananay, happy Mother's Day po. Salamat po sa mga sakripisyo nyo po para sa inyong mga anak at mga tinuturing na anak. So I just want to greet also especially to my mama, Mama Gloria, happy Mother's Day. Thank you for bringing me into this world. I love you and I miss you. And to my mother-in-law, to Mama Alice, thank you so much for your love and support and for accepting me and loving me like your own. Thank you so much. You're my best friend. And to my Ate Yen, happy Mother's Day, Ate. You're such a strong woman. Happy Mother's Day. I love you and I miss you. And to my auntie, sa lahat ng mga auntie ko, happy Mother's Day. Sa mga cousins ko po, happy Mother's Day po sa inyong lahat. To my best friends na mga nanay na din po, happy Mother's Day. I love you all. And sa lahat po ng mga nanay, from my teachers, from my daycare, to primary po, especially po kay Mama Carolina. Thank you so much for your love. Since then until now, you're still remembering me. I love you and I miss you. And to my teachers, high school teachers na patuloy pong nakaalala at bumabati po sa akin sa aking kaarawan. Happy Mother's Day po sa inyong lahat. And to my college mentors, university mentors po, especially to Mama Bebo, thank you so much for your love, for your prayers. I love you and I miss you also. At sa lahat po ng mga nanay ko, naging nanay ko po, mga kaibigan, mga mama po ng aking mga best friend, mga kaibigan. Happy Mother's Day. Di ko na po kayo maisa-isa. Kilala niyo po kung sino-sino kayo, mga naging nanay ko, naging mama ko in my journey. Happy Mother's Day. I love you all. And to my Auntie Minda, thank you so much, Auntie, for being there, especially on my Manila journey. Thank you so much, Auntie. We miss you and we love you. Thank you for supporting us until now. And sa lahat po ng mga naging nanay ko po sa Bahrain, English. To Pastora, Doktora, Mama Mary, happy Mother's Day. Thank you so much for your love, for your warm hugs, for your prayers. I miss you and I love you. And also to Ate Ellie. Thank you, Ate Ellie, for loving me as your daughter also. Thank you. I love you and I miss you. Sa lahat po ng mga ninang po namin dito sa UAE, sa lahat ng mga ninang na palaging nandyan po at nag-intindi sa amin. Thank you so much. Happy Mother's Day. And to FOTN family, happy Mother's Day sa lahat po ng mga nanay sa FOTN family. To my CLC family, happy Mother's Day. To Pastora Mami Aying, and to CLC Sorhay family, Ate Bonjang. And to my Team Emmy family, I miss you all. Happy Mother's Day sa lahat po ng Team Emmy. Love you all. And also to my EJ family po, to Mama Lala, thank you for being there always, for supporting me through ups and downs, through pains and happiness po. Lagi kang nandyan. Thank you for supporting me. To EJ also. And to Mamu, to Tita V, thank you so much for your love and support always. Sa lahat po ng emotion na nandyan at nandyan kayo palagi. And also to my managers, happy Mother's Day po sa inyong lahat. And to the AJ media influencer with the public star, happy Mother's Day. Mamsi, thank you so much for the wonderful program na meron pang pa-cheers and pa-cake. Happy Mother's Day. And to EJ Talents, with Mamu and Mama Lala. Thank you so much for your effort and program also na surprise din po ako. Happy Mother's Day to new installed EJ Talents. And also sa lahat po ng EJ Angels po, sa lahat po ng mga nanay, Happy Mother's Day po sa inyong lahat. We will be celebrating a Mother's Day next week, hopefully. And for our birthday airdrop event, we will be celebrating it before end of this month. So, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat sa patuloy na suporta at pagmamahal po. Thank you so much sa buhay po ng bawat isa, sa lahat po ng mga nanay na nagsikripisyo, sa lahat ng mga nanay na nagmamahal, sa lahat ng mga nanay na willing gawin lahat para sa kanilang mga anak at sa mga tinuturing na anak. You are appreciated. Happy Mother's Day. To God be all the glory sa mga buhay po ninyo. I love you all.